When you think Excel, you probably think endless rows, endless columns, and maybe a couple pivot tables if you're feeling fancy. But today's Excel, powered by Copilot, is a game changer. So in this video, I'm going to show you what Excel's Copilot can really do, how you can use it, and at the end, we'll talk about if you actually should get it for yourself. The first big feature that I want to show you is data cleanup, because if your data is not clean, if it's not polished, you actually won't be able to use it and you won't be able to get any of the analytics functions out of Excel. So that's where I want to start. Okay, so let's assume that you have an Excel sheet that's come in with messy data. Maybe there's different formatting or there's merged tables or things like that. Weird dates, inconsistent entries, and just missing data altogether. And it's a hassle to go through, especially if you have a lot of data, to go through and try to figure that out yourself. So what you can do is use Copilot, which you can find it in Excel on the tab and then you click it. It has a little pop-out window or a little message thing. You can type things in Copilot like clean up this data sheet and remove duplicates. You can type in other things like standardized date formats in this format. You can say highlight missing values in red. So immediately you have Copilot do all of the cleanup for you and make it so much easier to manage this information. There's no hunting for obscure features. There's no specific formulas that you need to know. It just does it all for you. And it does a really good job of contextually understanding what you're asking. The second big feature is analyzing trends and patterns. Okay, so let's say as an example that you have a sales data. You have a big Excel sheet with all the sales information from the year before. Normally, the process would be that you would have to build a pivot table that you would have to go through, figure out the formula, figure out which data is applicable, then create the pivot table, but then you'd have to go back and double check it and make sure that it's correct, and then you'd have to find out if the information is valid. But with Copilot, you can go in and say things like, analyze this data and tell me the sales trends over the last 12 months. Or you can say, highlight seasonal patterns and anomalies, and it will be able to create tables for you. It'll be able to create information that gives you that overall picture and is able to deep dive into the analysis of the Excel sheet that you're dealing with. It doesn't just make the charts, but it actually interprets the information in the charts. So in this example, it can call out sales spikes, it can call out dips, or it can call out seasonal anomalies. The third big feature is forecasting. If you've ever done forecasting, it's terrible. It takes a lot of time and you're not really sure if you're doing it correctly and you don't know if the data that you have is necessarily correct, but you still have to make predictions based on this information. But with Copilot, it's able to look at the right information and create those forecasts for you. So using the sales example that we had, we can go into Copilot, we can ask it to look at our current data and predict our sales forecast and create the forecast model for us. So we could say something like forecast sales for the next 6 months using a linear trend, or create a 3-year revenue projection based on the last 5 years of data. So obviously you have to have historical trending information to provide into Excel for it to use. But the nice thing is the models that Copilot uses are things that you would manually have to create formulas. You'd have to go in and create all of this information to forecast, but Copilot is able to look at all the information that you provide in the Excel, take out the information you need, and create the forecasts. So frankly, it's really shareable right off the bat. The fourth big thing is creating dashboards. If you have ever struggled to create a dashboard, Copilot in Excel is going to be your new best friend. You can say things pretty complicated like create a dashboard that shows monthly revenue, top 5 products, and customer churn rate, and it will be able to conclude all that information for you and put it into a dashboard using the charts that you would otherwise have to kind of manually create yourself. And this is cool because dashboards aren't just things that look pretty, but they're actual tools that executives and business people use to make important business decisions. So if you're able to showcase the information in a way that benefits not only you, but it benefits how the company decides and makes decisions moving forward, that's huge. The next big feature that I want to highlight is writing formulas for you. Now, this is one of the things I use Excel every single day, and I have to admit I do not really use formulas as much because I don't know what all the formulas are. So Copilot actually has the ability to create formulas for you so that you don't have to do it manually, or if you don't know how to do it at all, it can actually find the right formulas that you need to use. So instead of having to Google how do you do something like VLOOKUP, you can type in something into Copilot saying, find the total revenue for each product category, or calculate year-over-year growth for each region. I think of it as the Clippy on Microsoft Word, the little Clippy friend that you had. That's how I view Copilot in Excel, because it kind of just is like, what do you need help with today? And then you type it in and it fetches it for you and brings it back. So that to me is a huge game changer. So if you use Excel a lot like I do, you'll understand why this matters. The biggest win isn't just saving time. While yes, we all want to save time in our jobs, the part to me that Copilot really makes a difference here is it creates a new level of thinking, and it creates a new ability for the person using it, i.e. me or you, to find different information that you wouldn't have otherwise found within Excel. And when you're not bogged down by formulas, formatting, or grunt work, you have the space to actually focus on the strategy and the insights that come with Excel. So if you haven't already tried out Copilot on Excel, I think you should. I played around with this tool a lot longer than I probably should have. And if you're looking for Copilot on PowerPoint, I did a video on that as well. And with that, I will see you on the next one.